My name is Chef Fran,
and
this is my sous chef, Ian. Today, we're going to make some creamy corn soup, as well as a nice roast beef sandwich. Here's our vitamin content. So to start off, I want to talk about some of the ingredients here. And here are a list of ingredients. We have butter, 5 tablespoons of butter. We have 50% onions, which is about half a cup of onions. We have 2/4 cups, 1/4 cup of celery, 1/4 cup of carrots. You have salt, Himalayan salt. You can use any salt that you like. I prefer Himalayan. Some black pepper. You're going to add 2 tablespoons of salt and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Just cayenne, just a pinch of it, and coriander, about 1/4 teaspoon of coriander. I have 2.5 cups of potatoes that I've already cut into cubes, and I have 2 cups of corn and 2 cups of chicken broth. We also have half a cup of heavy cream and a cup of milk. So first I want to speak of mirepoix. Mirepoix is used in your base of soups and stews and some hearty meals. And it contains 50% onions, 25% carrots, and 25% celery. I'm going to have Ian start off with melting our butter and adding a tablespoon of olive oil, so we can start to get our mirepoix all sauteed. Okay, Ian.
Okay.
We're adding our onions, celery, and carrots. I wish you was here so you could smell the aroma from the mirepoix. Salt, which is 2 tablespoons. Okay. And black pepper, 1 tablespoon. And your cayenne. Just dump all of it. Yeah. As well as the coriander. Just continue to stir.
It's smelling delicious.
So you do this for about 10 minutes. Okay, so now we're going to add our chicken broth to this, now that it's sweated out. It's 2 cups, and we're going to add our potatoes. So we're going to let this cook for about 15 minutes till your potatoes are tender, and then we'll take 1/4 of it out along with the broth and blend it. We are blending our broth, our potatoes, and our corn for our creamy corn soup.
Pour this back in the pot.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It's nice and thick. So we're going to pour the rest of our corn in here. We're going to pour our milk and then our heavy cream and stir gently. Gently. Stir with love, gentleness. Now we're going to put the lid back on it. And we'll just let this simmer for 10 minutes. While our soup is still simmering, this is what it's looking like. We're going to get started on our sandwich. We're doing a roast beef grilled sandwich. Now I'm using Hawaiian bread. I happen to love Hawaiian bread, but you can use any bread that you like. You can use high fiber bread, low carb bread, whichever bread that you like. We have mayo. I have some apricot preserve here. I have just about 2 tablespoons of each. And I have a couple slices of pepper jack cheese and a couple slices of roast beef, because I'm actually making this for my crew, so I have a couple. So what we do first is just take some of the apricot preserve, just, get on all your nooks and cranny of your bread. We're actually going to do 2 parts of it. And take a slice of pepper jack. Obviously, you want to take your wax paper off.
Sorry about that, Mom. That's my fault.
And you want to take some of your nice piece of roast beef.
That's very nice.
Add another piece of cheese. Get the wax paper off. So your cheese serves as your glue as well. Remember that. Now, we're actually going to take the mayo and, as opposed to putting the butter, we're going to put it on the outside.
Yum. And what is that for?
Okay, so butter, most people, when they do grilled cheese, they use butter, and butter tends to sometimes burn too quickly. But the mayo helps make it a little crispier, and it doesn't allow it to burn as quickly. So, while you have it facing down on your grill, you can do the other side while it's on your grill. I love to cook because I love to see people happy. And I think that cooking sometimes, just puts a smile on someone's face. Our soup is completed. So this is what our soup looks like. And here's our beautiful grilled sandwich. Now, let me taste it. Oh my gosh. Do you guys see that?
Yeah.
Do you see that sweetness of the apricot?
Comes right out.
And then the roast beef and the pepper jack that's all melted in the grill marks. This is definitely bon appetit.
Yes.
Let me taste the soup. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's so creamy. Oh gosh. Let me get some of the potatoes in it. Get some corn, potatoes, carrots. Just simply amazing. I cannot wait for you guys to make this at home. It's really simple. It's not really that hard to make. You probably have some of these ingredients at home anyway. If you don't have chicken stock, you're free to use just water and just make sure that it's seasoned, and you could throw a bouillon in it. I'm sure you probably have carrots and corn possibly at home. You could even use the canned corn. You don't even have to use fresh corn or frozen corn, but this is so delicious. You could also use evaporated milk if you don't have heavy cream, half and half if you don't have heavy cream. But this is definitely a must try along with this delicious sandwich. So please hit the like button. Give the like button a hug for us, actually.
We say a lot.
By clicking it. Don't forget to subscribe. We look forward to cooking for you again, and have a great day. Subscribe for more delicious recipes and vitamin details. Also, your support will continue to allow my channel to grow.